Oy, nakita mo katong video ni Tylan, katong transformation video niya ba?
Wala pa.
Oh, tanaw tao.
Transformation?
Nindot gyud siya ba?
Mo ba?
O katong Don't Judge Me Challenge.
Oh,
mo to.
Ah.
Give it to me, I'm worth it, worth it, worth it. Baby, I'm worth it, worth it, worth it. I'm worth it.
Oh, grabe.
Wow, no, good no?
Idola oy.
Idol kayo. Sulayan po na to, para mugwa po punta sa mo ba?
Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Suni. Pakita ni.
Do you need me? Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Sama ni. Okay. Usap na pod.
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Ano man?
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Okay na.
Baby,
Wapo na.
I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
I only call you when it's. I only call you when it's. I only call you when it's. I only call you when it's half past. But the only time that I be by your.
Sa tinuod lang, dili mo kinahanglan nga magpa-transformation.
Kamong tanan mga gwapa o gwapo daan.
Don't change. Hey Joe Show loves you.
Bye-bye,
Love you!